Hey guys, welcome back to Binance Futures Trading. Now I'm going to show you how I make 68% return on my Binance Futures wallet. Now you can see here from the Binance P&L, you can see I have made 68.96% profit for the last 30 days. Now you can see here if I click on my 29 winning days, you can see that I've made total $1,300 and I have 30 winning days, 0 losing days, win rate 100%, average profit is $43.95. And you can see here all the profits that I'm making trading Binance Future. Now I'm going to teach you shortly how I'm able to do this. Now for most of you, this is kind of like very out of this world. So most of you still don't know that you can actually do this by not doing any technical analysis, by not looking at the chart every day. You know, it's very simple actually. How I can achieve this result is that I can use a bot. Okay guys, I can use a trading bot. You can see I'm playing with lots of coins, guys. Look at this. Lots of coins, around over 10 coins in here. So if you are doing manual futures trading, this will blow your mind. Okay, this will make your head exploded because it's too many coins and you cannot do 10 different charts, 10 different technical analysis. If you do it as a human being, you need a bot to operate this kind of things. So I'm going to share to you how I'm able to grow my wallet balance from 2,500 to now 4,100. So you can see there the difference is already 1,600, guys. I will show you the proof. Okay, if I click on transfer, and I can show you the history here, all my transfer into this wallet. Okay, I will show you the date from January right here. You can see my first transfer is only $10 in January 26. And then I add another 500. I add another 492. So technically there's 1,000 already. And then this is another 500, another 500, 2,000, another 500. The last one, which is 2,500 in total, guys. You can see the proof right here. And also you can see I have some BNBs. So this BNB is for fees. Okay, I use this BNB to reduce my trading fees. I can get 10% discount. If you see my asset here, I kind of use some BNB to minus the trading fees. And you can see my wallet from 2,500 capital, my initial capital 2,500. Now my wallet balance is 4,174. Okay, and I have floating loss of minus $441. Even if I cut loss everything, right, I still have my margin balance, which is $3,700. I still make profit at the end of the day. So how do I do this, guys? How do I do this? What I do is, let me show you on my computer here. All I do is that I connect my Binance account with a bot. Okay, the bot is called AntBot here, guys. So I connect it. So this bot will help me trade. It will help me open position. It will help me close positions. Okay, you can see this is the profit that I've accumulated from the bot. Almost $1,600 and generating profit every single day. And you can double check it, the data with Binance. Obviously, the one in Binance will minus all the fees. Here is excluded the fees. So you can see the bot is helping me trade, guys. Look at it. Okay, the bot is helping me trade. If you have been trading Binance Future for a while or any kind of futures trading on any platform, you know that technical analysis is difficult, especially if you have a lot of coins to do technical analysis on. So with this bot, you are able to do Binance Future trading completely hands off, guys. Okay, they have the system, they have the DCA AI where they can open position for you, they can close position for you, then they can even do the averaging for you. Okay, you can see here all the history, the data is covered in here, guys. I have a step-by-step tutorial, guys. So let me show you the quick way how this bot operates. Let's say you have a market right here, whatever coin this is. Let's say you start right here. So what the bot will do, it will do hedging, or it's called shock in here. The bot will open two directions, guys, short and long at the same time. Now what happens if the market goes up? Obviously your long will take profit, right? And your short position is gonna have floating loss. So what the bot will do, the bot will do averaging, guys. Okay, let's say the market goes up here, the bot will do averaging for the short position. It will add another position, so your initial short position will move, okay, will move to this level when it does averaging. So when the market goes down just a little bit, you already take the profit. Okay, it doesn't have to wait here because your initial price will change because you do the averaging. Okay, this is so powerful, guys. So you don't have to wait here. What happens if the market keep going up like this? What happens if the market keep going up like this? What happened to your short position? Well, still doesn't matter, guys. As long as you have enough funds, the bot will do averaging. Let's say you start right here and the market goes up here. Let's say it does averaging, and then your average price is gonna be up here. And then let's say it goes up again, you will do another averaging. Okay, let's say it goes up again, it will do another averaging. Eventually, guys, eventually this will go down. Okay, there is no such thing market keep going up like this. The market will retest and will go down and hit your initial price. Since you do averaging, your initial price no longer at here, it will become here. Okay, the same thing for long position if the market goes down. Okay, the same concept applies on the opposite direction. So this is why the bot is so powerful. Okay, you can see here my rune is floating loss, right? But it doesn't matter, guys. I can just wait and wait, okay? Because this is the cool thing about futures trading. You can wait. There is no time limit. This is not binary option. So there is no time limit. You can just wait and then you can make profit. Now that's the reason why I'm able to get 100% winning days. Okay, you can see it right here. Now I'm not promising you will get similar result because everybody is going to have different result. You might have more, you might have less. Okay, so it really depends on your wallet management. Now if you want a full tutorial, guys, I actually make a video already in here. I'll put a link in the description. You can go watch the playlist. I have all the playlists here. I teach you how to sign up. I will tell you, how to start the bot, and I show you some of the basic settings of the bot so that you can utilize this bot and do Binance Futures Trading. You can try it out. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just trying this bot out, and this bot so far has generated me good profit. I just want to share you, good stuff. If you love this, make sure you like this video, guys. And one more thing, we are doing cross here, guys. We are not doing isolated, we are doing cross. If you go to YouTube, most people are gonna teach you isolated, which is very dumb. You're gonna hit your liquid price in no time if you're doing isolated. We are doing cross here, guys. So your capital is king in here. So make sure you go watch this video, go through it if you're interested. I'll put a link down below. I already show you the proof that it works. And I will see you on the next video, guys.